The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Master man, your blood clot Bucky Marshall man, your Uncle Tom. A little baby tell you say your mama too much.
If me a talk, and you don't know when me a talk.
Brother, you know when me talk, say, cause you say the man can't fit and the man fit and pay me.
No, but look here.
How many money you chop?
Your job is, what's up your money?
No you. Video in bumbo clot put in pound slavery, freedom, freedom. Give me my money, man. Cause me can't come in your yard, but me can't carry your door. You see, say me have somebody, and you tell me say me can't come in your yard while you in a me car. You don't have no ambition. You shine a batty boy. You don't have no ambition. You in a me car and tell me say me can't come in your yard. So you is so much of a high class. Rasta can't come in your yard, you nasty blood clot you. But I know me carry you the door. Me couldn't get a drink of water for your yard. You are sell out to the black human race. You is a Pope Paul Vatican follower. You are sell out. And you make them tell we about freedom. I don't get it free cause who did have it and me don't want it. Me a Marcus Garvey picking it. Me a Bustamante picking it. Me a Punta Kente picking it. You a bumbo clot, we ain't call it blood clot, bag of wire, blood clot pick me you big. You a bag of wire picking it. You make a blood clot sell out you. You bought me couldn't come in your yard like me a look boy yard for go. You know see me a do the charity I carry you got your blood clot yard. Me free myself by busting my gun, bumbo hole, you idiot. Me free me bumbo clot self and what wait for white man for freedom. Where you go cause me can't take too much of your nastiness, you sell out pussy hole. Hey, if I went me in that kill boy, me kick you out and take your $100 like a real robbery. And go on like $1 million me get. Cause you make me know say me can't come at your yard, but I know my blood clot carry you there. If I when me a kill Batty boy, me dust you away. And that me I tell you, you better glad man like me take a pause. Me no mean me top, me take a pause, bumbo hole, you sell out. But the man can't fit. And the man come and give me good Jamaican money. And you still a mama after the man gone. And the little 8-year-old boy tell you say your mama too much. Your mama man.
You don't put Jamaican money to it.
Yo, tap nice now my bumbo clot car. Here. You think me can trace me like me come out your yard boy.
And you want chase me like that?
I'm lock up your blood clot in this until life and you say you try rap.
And you want chase me?
Oh, so what? You know, say me not care, you go no further. Come out of my blood clot.
I feel like don't get so you go out.
You sell
I think
out.
I want to go up there.
You sell out. You sell out, black man. You sell out. You can't want a little box of guy your yard, boy, you get freedom. Put it on him. You can't tell me say you want a little box and you're free. You're free about freedom. You have a little box in your hand, boy, you're free. You have freedom. In a one box, you have freedom. You're going in that box.
Viewers and subscribers, there's only one thing I'm going to say about a video like this. You see? Is try your best and avoid argument. Avoid confrontations. You see me? Now, me can't really say nothing about what I see in this video. You know. Yes, this video is on social media. You see me? But how this argument start between these two persons you see in the video, I don't really know. So therefore, me can't really say nothing too tough about this. But according to what has been said about this video on social media is that this video shows up a taxi man and a passenger in an argument. You see me I said to you? Yeah, the taxi man is said to be a Rasta man at that. You see me? But viewers and subscribers, however, you see me I said no matter how the thing go and how it started, me I best encourage it to each and every one say you avoid the whole heap of argument or the whole heap of cussing and fussing and dispute. You see me? Because some of the times them things lead up to way more than, you know, than you even think it might end up bad. You see what I say to you? Some people on social media say that, you know, the person which is considered to be the taxi man, that the Rasta man, say that maybe him take it for a joke due to some of the things where him said in the video. But however, still, you see what I say? My best advice is just to avoid the whole heap of argument. You see? Yeah. Alright, I have some left it still now. Just let me know what you think about this video, viewers and subscribers. You see me? So until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?